Hello, this is Rabia from Dunia Rangeli. Today I want to show you how to play with the hue, saturation, colors. So from here I have this owl. I'm going into the adjustment layer. From here I'm taking the hue, saturation. Guys, please check this colorize option. You can see here if I'm clicking on this line, I'm changing the colors. The colors are being changed. I'm increasing the saturation. You can increase the saturation from here. You can decrease and you can increase like this. Let's play with this layer. Guys, you can see the colors are being changed. From here you can see this custom preset. If I click on this default, see what happens. If I click on cyanotype, you can see the different options here. Increase saturation. With the help of this you can increase the saturation. This is old style. This moves the styles to old, like vintage type. You can see. And this is red boost. This is sepia and strong saturation, yellow boost. This will add yellow color. I'm taking this custom and increase the saturation. Guys, from here you can increase or decrease the lightness. Okay, I'm taking this till here. Guys, if I don't take this colorize option, see, this also works very smoothly. Here you have the master options. Guys, here is red, yellow, green, cyan, CMYK, okay, colors. If you click on some of these colors, you will see you can add the color according to your taste. I have this another pattern. I'm going for the hue saturation layer. Let's open this layer. Increase or decrease the colors from here. Like this, you can change the colors according to your taste very easily and very precisely. It's super cool and super fun method. If you increase the saturation, it will increase the yellow parts and the saturation. If you decrease, it makes the picture dull, and like this it makes the picture bright by increasing the saturation. If you decrease the lightness, it will add some black and decrease your lightness. If you increase, it will increase. You have to maintain this from here. Let's take this colorize and you can see how this works. I'm not checking this colorize because I want to have this. Okay guys, like this you can play with the saturation and you can easily work with them. Now I want to show you how you can remove the background very easily. I'm deleting this layer. Let's delete this, delete, and one again time delete this. Taking this and I'm going into the select color range. Let's click on this and hit OK. You can see this is selected. Simply press the delete button to delete the background. You can see this is deleted. Like this you can delete the background. Guys, this is all for today. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and stay connected. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.